What can you hear?
This sounds like a baby.
Does it sound like...
Sounds like a baby?
Huh?
What did the baby say?
Cuckoo gaga, mommy. This goes cuckoo gaga.
Really? Listen again. Is it a brother or sister?
Spider.
Brother. Okay. What was that?
It's a baby.
It's the bitok.
Beetle.
Are you a princess?
Are you? No, auntie.
Ate, auntie. Ate.
Wanna come to us?
Aww. Aww. Gentle, no?
It does kiss.
Kiss.
Kiss the baby and
Kiss
you
the
come in.
baby. Are you? Hi guys! Magandang hapon! Welcome back to our channel. Today is Monday, the 4th of January and it's currently 2 o'clock ng hapon. Pasensya na guys ha, I look so haggard today. Like always naman guys. Super haggard talaga. Oh my god, I'm feeling so tired. But we have to take Paris out kasi it's Monday, walang childcare si Paris. Nandito siya sa bahay. And nabuboard siya guys. Si Daddy Mike pala ay nag-work. So, back to work this Daddy Mike guys. Fortunately for me, naka-break pa rin ako. I'm not going back until next week. So, I still have the whole week to myself, to Paris. And yeah, I don't even know paano ko gagawin to next week, guys. I need to go back to work and I can't even get up in the morning. Parang hindi pa nga ako nagigising, guys, and I'm feeling tired already. It's crazy. It's crazy. Anyways, that's what you get when you're pregnant, right? That's what you get when you have a baby growing in your tummy. It's just taking all of your energy. I still feel sick guys. Alam niyo yung nauseous pa rin. Hindi ako nagsusuka but yung feeling na I wanna throw up, meron pa rin akong ganun guys. And ngayon, these glasses is not helping because kahapon pala guys, pakita ko ba sa inyo guys? Ayan. So kahapon, ayan, nahigaan ni Daddy Mike yung glasses ko. Ayan. So, agad-agad, pumunta ako sa guys, sa optometrist kung saan ko kinukuha yung mga glasses ko. And then, I decided na mag-book ng eye test para, i-update ko na lang yung glasses ko. So, pumunta ako yesterday. I got there at 3:40. Yeah, 3:40 ng hapon. At ito siya nangyari mga 3 o'clock. So, yung time ko was very, very short lang. Luckily, nung nagpunta ako online, nakita ko na may available sila at 3:40 ng hapon. Kaya agad-agad akong nag-book and pumunta ako guys. However, yung glasses, bumili ako ng dalawang glasses ulit. And oh yes guys, ito yung unang gastos natin in the year 2021. And yes, so bumili ako ng dalawang glasses. Kasi yung glasses kasi nila guys, you pay $199 for 2. Tapos, you have to add yung anti-glare sa glasses and it's $30 each. So, 200 plus 60. So, 260. Ngayon, sabi kasi ng optometrist ko guys na my eyes is very dry and all because all the time ako nakaharap sa computer, diba? So, nakababad ako sa computer all the time and also sa aking phone kapag nag-i-edit ako. Kaya, yun yung dahilan kung bakit sobrang dry ng mata ko. And at the moment, kasi nga pregnant ako, guys, I can't put, drops or anything like that in my eyes kasi there's a tendency na baka mapunta sa placenta and I don't know, sabi niya wala naman daw research na nagsasabi ng ganun but we're just being cautious pagdating sa mga ganyan. And I totally understand guys. Kaya yun, sabi niya na yung glasses ko daw, lagyan ko daw ng blue light filter. So, to be able to have that, guys, you have to pay extra $80 ata, 80 or 60. Yeah, $80 for blue light filter, para kahit na nasa harap ako ng computer, hindi masyadong harsh yung light sa aking mata. So, yung ginawa ko, guys, sa isang glasses ko na lang pinalagay, hindi na sa dalawa kasi it will be too expensive na. So, yung isang glasses ko lang naman talaga yung gagamitin ko, mainly for computers and phone. So, yun lang yung pinalagyan ko. So, I ended up paying $300 something, guys. And yeah, yun talaga yung unang gastos natin this year. And the thing is, again, it's not an expense, guys. It's an investment because it's for my eyes. It's something that I really need. Hindi lang talaga yung gusto ko ng bagong glasses. It's what I need. Kaya, yun. But yeah, for now, guys, hinintay ko lang talaga yung aking phone na charge para makaalis na kami ni Baby Paris. And you know what? It's looking really gloomy outside. And I don't think I can bring Paris to the park now kasi pag-uulan, guys, paano na yan? So, I might just take, umulan na nga. Nag-start na siyang umulan, guys. I might just take Paris to the shops. Oh my God, guys. Pasensya na talaga sa aking hagay na mukha, guys. I'm super, super tired. What did I break?
Glasses.
Glasses. Daddy did. Here, babe. To dark man. Say hi, tita, tito.
Hi, Tito.
Tito, tito.
Hi, Tito.
Where's Paris's car? There. Yeah. Are we going in the car?
Yeah.
Huh? Are we going in the car?
No.
No? Are you staying here? Are you
Yeah.
staying? Oh, okay. You're staying here. Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, it's been raining.
No, I wanna go.
You wanna go? Okay. Alright. You go with mommy then. What are you getting from the shops?
Tight.
Toy?
Yeah.
You have plenty of toys already.
More toy.
Okay, we'll go have a look. We'll go have a look. What's mommy eating? Tingnan yung kinakain ko, guys. What's that? Guava.
Papa.
Kumakain ako ng bayabas, guys, with suka and tuyo. And kasi pag pag salty kasi hindi ako nasusuka. Most of the time kapag sweet, nasusuka ako. Kaya ayan.
Wow.
Kainin ko muna ito ng waga. Alright, anak. Get plastic bag na ka.
Water.
From the pantry. Get 2, okay? 2. Like that. That's 4. See? See? That's 4. 2. That's right. 2. Get 2 plastic bags, okay?
I go find it.
Okay, you go find it because you're a good finder. Thank you, Paris. Thank you, Ate Paris. Wow, love your outfit, honey. Show me your outfit, Sabi. Turn around. Turn around. Big girl. In the pantry na. In the kitchen ba? The plastic bag. Where's the plastic?
Oh no, it's not the kitchen now.
It's not in the kitchen now. Where did it go?
It's going.
Where did it go?
I don't know.
Oh no, what are we gonna do now? There's no plastic.
There's no plastic. We took it.
The police took it?
Yes.
Why do you think so? Why do you think the police took it?
I
Where did the police take it?
Oh wow.
Where?
Wow.
Hindi muna kami nakaalis, guys, kasi tingnan niyo ang ating baby girl. Oh, it's black. Nakatulog. At dahil nakatulog ang ating baby girl, guys, Yung gagawin ko na lang muna is i-ready ko yung ating mga lulutuin for tonight. Ating mga lulutuin. Madami ba? Hindi, i-ready ko yung lulutuin natin for tonight kasi gusto kong magtinolang manok. And, yeah, since tulog ang ating baby girl, yun na lang yung gagawin ko para pagkagising niya mamaya, diretso kami ng shops para makalabas naman siya ng konti. Meron pa yung ano dito guys, yung chicken frames. Ayan. And then, ayan, ito din yung binili ko from the market the other day. Binili ako ng sayote. Yan. Sobrang sarap niyan, guys. At meron tayong tinola na mamasitas. Ayan. And then, I don't know if I'm going to need this one, but maybe not anymore, guys, no? Kasi strong na naman to siya. Ayan. Yung Nor broth cubes. Chicken broth cubes. So, I don't think so, guys. Ito na lang yung gagamitin na lang natin. Ayan. So, I'm super excited for tonight, guys. Kasi alam nyo, sa pregnancy na to, all I crave is yung mga pagkain na niluluto ng nanay ko. And it's good kasi at least nabibili ko pa rin dito. Hindi parang weird yung cravings ko. And you know what? Nung buntis ako kay Paris, never akong nag-crave ng mga ganito, guys. Wala talaga. I had maybe, ano lang, yung jam donuts. Ganun, yun lang. Pero, after that, wala na, guys. Ang arte ko ngayon sa pregnancy na to, like, gusto ko yung ganito, gusto ko ng ganyan. Ako lang naman yung marunong magluto ng gusto kong kainin. Kailangan kong magluto. Ayan. Yung binili ko pala, guys, ito yung chicken frames para may mga buto-buto ba. Yun yung gusto ko. Time check tayo, guys. It's now 4:10 ng hapon and ang ating baby girl ay tulog pa rin. Ang ating tinola ay getting there. I think luto na siya, guys. Hindi na ako makapaghintay, actually. Meron na ako mga bowl dito. Ayan. Kasi gusto ko nang kumain. I'm super hungry. Hindi pala ako kumain ng lunch. Kasi I just didn't feel like eating before. And ngayon, na meron tayong sinabawang manok. Tapos may kanin tayo. Kakain tayo habang ang ating baby girl ay tulog pa. Umuulan pa sa labas. My God. Pero, lalabas pa rin tayo, guys. Pupunta pa rin tayo ng shops pagkagising ng baby natin. I'll show you quickly what it looks like now. Yan. Yummy. Kain na tayo. Hello.
My shoe.
What is it, Nak?
My shoes hurt.
Your shoes hurt?
Yeah.
Oh no.
My kid can't take
Okay, Mama fix it, okay? Mama fix it. Take it off?
Yeah.
Okay. Because you were wearing your shoes when you sleep. That's why. Mama's cooking, anak. Do you want some rice? Do you want some rice? Shush! Are you sleeping with baby Josephine?
No.
Oh, okay. Mama's gonna eat. Do you wanna join Mama? Nah? Mama's gonna eat now. Mama is very hungry and the baby sister or brother. Kiss Mama, babe. I love you. Kiss Mama. I love you. Oh, shush. Did you have a good nap? I love you. Baby Josephine. Have a look at baby Josephine's eyes. Can you see the baby Josephine's eyes? What can you hear?
This sounds like a baby.
Does it sound like
It sounds like a baby.
Huh?
What did the baby say?
Cuckoo gaga, mommy. This goes cuckoo gaga.
Really? Listen again. Is it a brother or sister?
Spider.
Brother, okay. What was that?
She's a baby.
The baby.
Baby, get out.
The baby wants to get out.
Watch me.
Do you want the baby to come out now?
Watch me.
Do you want the baby to come out now?
Watch me, mommy.
Okay. Oi. 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 Careful, listen again. Come on. Hang on. It's talking. Come on.
Listen.
Listen.
Mm.
Do you love your brother or sister? Again, more.
Ah, I found it.
You heard it?
Now, mommy.
Do you want to hold the baby now?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Not yet? The baby's not ready yet.
I didn't with the surface.
What was that?
It's a baby.
It's the beetle.
Brutal. This is sound like poop.
Sound like poo.
That's the papa.
Sound like poo.
This is buzz. It's me smell.
Let me smell.
Oh, this will smell.
Smell?
Yes.
Really? Did mommy poo poo?
Yeah, you sound like me.
Same like you. You did poo poo. Very smelly. Very smelly.
Watch me.
I'm watching you. Are you a princess?
Are you? No, auntie.
Auntie. Ate.
Wanna come to
Aww. Aww. Gentle, look. Gentle to the baby.
baby will cry.
The baby will cry.
No, mommy, baby will cry.
Hmm?
Or the girl up there.
What are you gonna do if baby cries? What is Paris gonna do? Are you say like that? Shh.
Yes.
You're not gonna sing her happy like a song? What song are you gonna sing for the baby if the baby cries?
Twinkle, twinkle.
Okay, can you sing it now?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Above the sky, like a dummy in the sky. Let us kiss.
Kiss.
Kiss the baby and
Kiss
you
the
come in.
baby. Are you a good ate?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Meow.
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 Are you a good ate? Meow, meow, meow.
Meow, 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 meow.
Tuloy na ang aming biyahe sa shops. Careful, Paris. Careful, look where you're going.
Okay.
Good girl. Good girl.
My cousin.
Is there a maliparo? Ow. Ow, best.
Oh, best.
Ow, best.
Oh, best.
Where's the car? Let's go to the car.
Good one.
Nagbit kami ng dalawang plastic bag. So, para hindi na naman kami bumili. Hala, open lagi ang garage, nak.
What's happening?
Who opened it?
Paris.
Paris opened it. Na careful, nak. Matagak na ang kuan di, anak. Yabi.
Yummy?
Yabi. Mayami ka karon. Check the mailbox ka. It's been raining all day today. Oh. Sobrang wet. No, that's not ours, anak. The other one. Anything? It's all
No.
papers.
There's nothing there.
There's nothing in there. Okay. Get in my car now.
No.
Let's go. Go. Hi guys! Time check tayo. It's now 7:20 ng gabi. Kakauwi lang namin ni Baby Paris dito sa bahay. And she's very busy with her toys now, oh, with Daddy. What did you get, na?
Toy.
Show tita and tito your toy. Yeah. Show. Yeah. Are you gonna be a doctor again? Dr. Peppa?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Meron pa pala akong ano dito guys, oh. Coconut water. Anyways, nakita ko lang sa inyo quickly yung mga napamili natin from the shops, guys. Bumili ako ng apple juice because gusto ko siyang i-mix dito sa prune juice. Yung ating baby girl kasi, guys, she's constipated again. So, ayun. Hindi siya masaya kapag umuudo siya kasi masakit yung masakit yung puwet niya. Kaya yun. Tapos kasi, ayaw kasing inumin ni Paris yung prune juice lang, guys. Kaya nag-search ako online. Sabi na it's good to mix daw with apple juice para hindi masyadong strong yung kanyang taste. I also bought this full cream milk. Yan. I got wipes for Paris. I got, naka-half price pala to siya, guys. Yung spray disinfectant, Blend 20.
Doctor.
Ayan. From $12, $6 na lang siya. So, I get one. I bought honey.
Very good, doctor.
I got this yogurt because Paris loves this. You love this one, don't you, anak? Baba, you love this one, don't you? Paris, go!
Like it.
I like it. Good girl. And then I bought some grapes, guys. Pero tingnan niyo. Yes, yum. Thank you. Tingnan niyo ang grapes, guys. Sobrang liit niya talaga. Tingnan niyo. Pero cheap siya, guys. $4.90 lang ata yung kilo. $4.90. Gusto ko sanang bumili ng mandarin, pero hindi ata season ng mandarin at the moment. So, yung 700 grams lang, it's $12. Tapos sabi ko, it's okay. Maybe next time na lang tayo bili kasi sobrang mahal. And then, in this basket plastic, I got Paris Nutri-Grain para sa umaga. It's guys, tingnan nyo, protein. Yan yung kailangan ng ating baby girl. We've got some strawberries. Ayan. Kasi tinitrain pa rin natin yung ating baby na kumain, guys. Kasi kahit na hindi na talaga siya nagdidede ngayon. Wala na talaga, guys. Pero, mapili pa rin siya sa pagkain kasi nga hindi siya sanay, diba? So, of course, hindi naman natin nirarush, guys. She'll get there. Ayan. We've got some Yakult. Do you want some na?
No.
Oh. We've got this. I don't even know what's this. Ayan. Pero si Paris Nicole, guys, sobrang smart. Naglalagay ng mga laruan. Ayan ako. Sa basket.
What's happening, Mommy?
Some snacks. Ayan for Paris.
Oh, that's this.
Open this one, please.
Please.
Please. Give it to Mommy, B. I'm not finished now. Got some Pringles. For snacks. Hello, what's this one? It's an egg. It's an egg. What else you got here? Okay. Nakita ko to doon, guys. Tingnan nyo. Sobrang maliliit na mga cucumbers ba? Ewan ko ang pagbasa nito. Quukes. How do you read this one, Daddy? Q-U-K-E-S.
UK.
No, Q-U-K-E-S. Baby cucumbers. Cukes?
Flakes. Okay.
Ayan. And I've got some dried mango kasi ito yung tugo ni Daddy Mike para kay Daddy Paris. And then we've got some pink lady apples. Ayan. And then, meron tayong ganito guys. Tingnan nyo, sobrang cute oh. Nutella. Ayan, sobrang liit. Dalawa sila. Ayan. So yun na yan guys. Yan ang ating mga napamili from the shops. Magkano ba yung binayaran natin? Okay. So all in all, we paid 73 Australian dollars, guys. Ayun. And then pumunta pala kami ng price line nung nandun kami. Kasi hindi ko na makita yung aking eyebrow pencil, guys. Ayun, wala na akong dito, oh. Eyebrow. So bumili ako ng eyebrow pencil. Ayan. Yung L'Oreal na gusto ko, $17 guys. Hindi kasi sila nag-sale. Last time na pumunta ako, half price yata sila. Pero ngayon, nagustuhan ko kasi guys, kaya it's okay. So that's it. We'll just put everything away now. And yeah, it's late now guys. It's 7:30 na. Kaya yeah, we'll just probably rest now then. And yeah, we might just end the vlog here now, guys. Thank you very much for watching today's video. Maraming salamat sa inyong mga bagong subscribers natin. Appreciate ko na kinonsider nyo na mag-subscribe sa ating channel. I'll just do a quick shout out. And the first shout out goes to Hunak. Tita.
I'm putting it away. Putting it in a skateboard.
Okay. Shout out to Janzi Pinay, Australia. Shout out to Misma Villarreal, Maria Victoria Canas, Maricel Cante, Yuli S, Marlene De Malanta, Dang Nicolas, Iwo Jima Halwag, Pia 25, Fe Mamalio, Maricar Castañeda, Helen Tift, Vicky Inot, Josel Luna, Jovey Atilio, Catherine Cupias, Gilbert CJ TV Hay, Sonia Stewart, Irene Kilang, Joanne Reyes, Maglasang Suzette, Zombabes in Life, Zombabes in Life, Diane Charis Pinto, Mary Jane Encina, Patricia Laurel, Blessy Ardina, Maria Luz Florimonte, Mine Fajardo, Lolita Fabiliar, Bernardita Castrillo, Adel Castañares, Noralina Sabiano, PKB, Donna Ladera, Yuki My Love, Daya Magallanes, Alexander Villarin, Gail, Annabel Sarino, Yeth Balino, Fe Guarnes, Rosalinda Opiana, Donna Ladera, Pao Moha, Jocelyn Gascon, Emily Salin, and Florinda Corcuera. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs up sana. Paris Nico, give thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family.
This one.
And we hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't,
Let's see.
If you can't, Paris,
Nico.
That one was one.
Paris not listening.
say be careful.
Careful.